Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something different. This is my first ever inventory, and I'm excited. I am. I don't know. I'm like, emotionally. It's a lot going to my mind. I'm afraid. It's a lot going to my mind, but I'm taking a leap of faith. Hopefully everything work out great. So my wish runner line was coming out. It's already there. So I didn't open nothing yet. I was excited to open them, but I was like, you know what? I wanna do it in front of a camera. I wanna see my reaction. I wanna share it with you guys this moment, because this moment it's so big for me. It means a lot. I wanna do this forever. I got discouraged by someone I used to date, and he was like, nah, don't sell shit online. And I don't know, you know how you always want to do something, you want to try to do something, and then but you don't get enough encouragement. So it's funny, I met Vanessa and she literally pushed the heck out of me. Thank you for that. I love you, girl. So, and I was like, you know what? And she have her own clothing line also, which called Future. I will post the link below for you guys. You guys can always support her. I will be very grateful for that. She's amazing. So basically, and I was like, she have her own, and I'm like, she's like, you should make your own, blah blah. Okay, I was gonna to do that, so let's do it. Oh my god, you don't even understand right now what's going through my mind. So much going through my mind. I'm afraid. I'm excited. You know what? Enough talking. Let's unbox this bad boys. So it's two huge box. Oh my god. So this is one. And let's do this. And some of them are some stuff that I got are samples, because I want to sell other things than wish runner. I'm into the fitness thing lately. I've been, like, you guys can see, like, I mean, I'm not where I want to be with my body, but it's a work in progress. There's a lot more to do. But I'm so grateful, guys, compared to where I was and compared to where I'm at now. I am freaking grateful, so grateful to my workout stuff. And if you guys want more workout video, got you. So, and I have some coming up too. And I will share my before and after. So I know some of you like know me, and then it's like, yeah, you used to me when I used to be very, very skinny, but I gained so much weight for the past few years, and I was so stressed. A lot happened in my life. I gain weight, I lose weight, I gain weight, I lose weight. It's like a fight for me. You know what I mean? So I'm still fighting with it. But so far, I realized doing a great diet, exercise, weight training, and all of that been helping me a lot. Even this weight trainer right now, the first one that I have does not fit me. Sorry guys, I have to draw it, yes. Oh my god, this is so crazy. What should I say? Fuck. Oh my god. Y'all ready? I'm fucking excited. You know how you open people's stuff all the time, but your stuff is different. Oh my god, I fucking think I'm gonna cry. This is crazy. This is why I'm fucking crying. And it's so hot in my basement right now. It's so fucking hot. Oh fuck, I'm crying. I am literally in tears. You don't even understand. This is weird. You know what's crazy? I will not think I will cry. I was like, I'm not gonna cry. Oh god, this is crazy. I really fucking cry. When I see the logo, I cry. And this is shame on me for the logo, because I wanted something so simple. It's a simple logo, but I love it. Whew. I'm in love it. I think this is a large, guys, because there's different size on there. Of course, there's this one. Oh, that's an extra large. Oh well. So basically, I wanted to make sure everybody can buy, because those right here, I've been trying. Listen, I did not just like see this and get it. Okay, I've been trying this for the past for a month or two. I've been loving it. Okay, you don't understand. Like this This is my favorite thing to work out on, okay? Because I kind of get different size, you know. I get medium, I get small. I kind of did get different size because I didn't know what to expect really. So that's a medium, and that's a little bit too big, but that might fit me. But this is not really for workout. I feel like it's too simple. Then again, those are not to sell. Those are just like samples that I got. And it's the thing that's why if you want to start your business, if you want to do business, you need to get samples. Yes, it's gonna take more time. It's gonna take more time to ship. It's gonna take, you know, but it's so important. It's like literally the main thing is to get a sample, because you don't want to get something and when you get it, you get 40 of it, or you know, a bunch of them, and guess what? They're not what you expect to. Oh, I finally got a small, guys, so I needed a small for me. And I wanted to try the small, but I didn't want to try this medium because I have a medium already, and then it's literally too loose for me because this thing make you sweat. And the best part of it, you don't have to, what should I say that? You don't have to, you can wear a t-shirt underneath it, or you don't have to, or it's easy to clean. That's one thing I like, you know, it's like you don't have to clean this every time. You see the inside? This is so perfect. I hope you guys can see the inside. So this is like neoprene, I think that's the name of it. Shit, I'll put it there. So this is something that makes you sweat, like it's like a sauna. When you put this on, guys, listen, and that's a small because the medium is too big for me. And okay, I like the fact the small is very tight, so you know, so the medium is too big for me, and I want the small so bad. Okay, I'm not really completely there with the small yet, but I like it, and I think, yes, it's fine. It's fucking perfect. You know what? Yep, I'm gonna keep that because I wanted the small so bad. Yeah, that's fine. Because my waist getting smaller and smaller every day. I mean, of course, I get bloated, but yeah, I'm loving this. Yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna stop because I'm gonna stop. But yep, I'm gonna keep this on, okay? Because my name, hey, can you guys see the name? It's custom like that. I just really just get one. So make sure you guys get yours. Please support. I will really appreciate it. It will mean the whole world to me. Whew, yeah, I don't even know. Okay, so there will be more in the website, guys. So I'm gonna put this in the back, and then, well, put it in the living room because I don't have that much. I don't have a space for them yet. So you see me? I watch too much TikTok. I'm not gonna lie on that. Okay. Ow! My knees, my knees, my knees, my knees. So basically there's gonna be two on the website for now. Okay, there's a second one. I feel like I'm just missing some gun. Yeah, but that's the second one, guys. So this is perfect for running. It will give you a good sweat. If you're trying to lose legs fat, it will give you a good sweat. So you like this. I gotta use bathroom, so by the way, I'm doing detoxing, and I'm like, I gotta finish this, but you guys can see. I like the black one, I do, but there's a red one also, there's other color, so I like this one, it's cute. Yeah. I feel like I'm missing some guns. And you can adjust the legs, even if when you get it, it might look so big, but don't be worried. You can just adjust it to your liking. If you shorter, I think you can even, yeah, you can even adjust this part too. You see, so it's adjustable, which is a great thing. You know, you can adjust it to whatever you like. And I think this is perfect for like squat, if you're doing squat, you see. And squeeze that butt. Ugh. Squeeze. You know, I think. Okay, my camera died trying to be funny. That's it, guys. Basically, I don't know what I was talking about because the camera acted funny. I forgot it well died. That's it, guys, and I will, you know, keep you updated. If you guys want to start your own business, you want some information, you can, guys. I'm still in my learning process, but I don't mind sharing with you what I know, okay? Because I would love for all of you guys to win. There's so much stuff out there lately where you can make money, invest your money. The only thing is, you cannot make money if you're not willing to invest some money, if you're not willing to spend some money. There's no such stuff like this unless you get a sugar daddy, a sugar mama. But yeah, that's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Means the world to me. I love you. And the website and everything will be below. You guys can go get yours. And remember to stay beautiful. That's it.